What is up, you guys? Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Today we are here at JLE Motors and we are gonna be doing some maintenance on the Audi TT. I'm having some issues with my wheels as well, so that would be like an extra cost, but like just to give you like a general idea on how much it actually costs for like maintenance of the Audi TT. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this one, and obviously I'm really hoping that this would be like a very helpful information for you guys as well. And also you guys could tell that they do really well job here because their lot is absolutely packed of Audis, Mercedes, BMWs, and yeah, so they do specialize in like a lot of cars. And like literally just in front of me is a Viper, and man, there's really no other place to take your vehicle but to take it to this place. So enjoy this one. Been a while, but you get to see the Miltech exhaust. Now this exhaust is a catback exhaust, so it just goes all the way there, right there, and then goes all the way back here. That's pretty sweet.
The driver's side, maybe.
Is it the driver's side?
Yeah.
That's exactly what I'm hearing.
See that?
Oh, I didn't know that's the driver.
This one has a little bit, not that loud like that one.
Right.
Yeah. So sometimes better you do both, you don't have to come back, it's up to you. I'll give you the price option, right?
Okay, yeah.
So, I can see I was picking up the digits today. You see how you load it? See that?
Right, yeah.
That's the vibration, the frequency.
So what we're checking is that I am actually hearing some kind of like weird bearing noise on one of the wheels, but I can't really pinpoint what it is. I actually thought it's the passenger side, but it turns out to be the driver's side. So yeah, we're gonna get that fixed as well. And obviously that would be like cost extra to on top of just the regular maintenance that we're gonna be doing in this car. So yeah, more cash out of my pocket. Let's check the Viper here really quick. $5,000 miles.
You should have pictures of it.
Wow. Look at that V10. That looks crazy. Wow. And I love the color too. Look at that. Dang. See, like even these cars trust JLE Motors, so how can you not trust them? Like these guys are one of the best in the game. That's pretty sick. I love that. I really love that. Can I?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, sweet!
In the door handle outside, eh? See?
Oh, okay. Well, let's sit down inside a Dodge Viper. Wow, this is absolutely nice. Just look at that. Like you can already see how far the hood is. I am not that tall. I'm only like 5'8", and I'm already like literally gonna be touching the roof of this one. I think the actual convertible roof of this car is at the back. I'm not certain though, but man, this is crazy. This is such a powerful car, and I've seen a lot of videos about the Viper crashing because the driver is not just qualified of driving it. Thanks to these guys for letting me just like sit down and experience such kind of vehicle.
A few moments later.
Alright, well the service is now done, so we can actually talk about, oh, let me just start her a little bit for you guys. Yeah, so we can talk about the actual cost of all the service that we've done. It's not a lot, but I just want to be transparent on like the numbers so that for those who are still looking forward to getting an Audi TT as well, this would be like a really good baseline for you guys on how much it's gonna cost to like do oil change and stuff. And mind you, I'm doing it on a very reputable place, and man, these guys actually do absolute phenomenal job when it comes to any kind of service, and at the same time they're the most friendly and most professional guys here. And man, I just can't thank them enough for actually dealing with the Audi TT. And like I mentioned earlier, like you could tell that they actually have pretty great service here, because look at the cars that are getting service here. Got the Viper, got some Mercedes 370s and stuff. So man, that's absolutely crazy. Alright, so I just got home and I also have the receipt, an email receipt of what we did today. But before we talk about what's on the receipt, I just remember that when I first got the car, I got Audi to change the brake pads. I also did the brake fluid flush. However, I cannot remember exactly how much that costed. I'm gonna try to find the receipt so that we could add that in the total here as well. Now, let's proceed with the receipt. We did not really do a lot on this service today, but here are the things that we did on this service. Number one is the oil change. So my car actually takes 5W40 and I needed 4.5 liters of oil, and that costed me $63. Another thing is an oil filter, and that costed me $22.40. Another one is the DSG fluid kit. So the DSG fluid kit, what we did is we did replace the DSG fluid. It is very important that you do that. I don't know exactly how many kilometers or how many miles you have to do that. I'm gonna try to find the information. I'm gonna put that here as well. And that costed me $306.82. And also the wheel hub. So the wheel hub was the one that I'm hearing, which is like a really weird bearing noise. I needed 2 of that because the passenger side was also going. That costed me $195.20 each. And because there's 2, so that is $390.40. Now the service for oil change for Audi TT at JLE is $120. The wheel hub service is $360. So what they did on that one is they removed the old wheel hub and then like put the new ones on the left and the right front wheel. And also the DSG fluid replacement and filter is $120. So in total or subtotal, it costed me $1,382.52. Now after taxes, $1,553.37 in total. So let's add all the brake replacement and the brake fluid flush that I did when I first got this car, and the total would be Ta-da! So honestly, this total is not too bad. Biggest reason is because what you're getting out of this car is absolutely amazing, and at the same time, I am confident that this car is gonna run absolutely phenomenal because JLE is actually using OEM parts as well. So I think it's really important that you make sure that like when you do your service and everything is that you try to get OEM parts or better quality parts as much as you can. And also again, absolutely big thanks to JLE for taking good care of my car and for giving me the opportunity to sit down on the Dodge Viper, and man, what an absolutely amazing experience. So I'm really hoping that this video actually helps some of you guys who's looking forward to getting an Audi TT Mark II or kind of like car that are on the same platform like the A3s or the Volkswagen Golf. And at the same time, I'm really hoping that you guys are enjoying all the uploads that I've been doing recently. And if you do, please do hit the subscribe button because I'm still giving away 500 Canadian dollars to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs. And on that note, please stay safe, take care, and make the most out of your day. Peace!